ating AI voice master.
Ayan. Hello, great day. Great day! Okay, this is a presentation very unusual to everyone because I used to speak. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Yeah. I used to speak with a large crowd, no? I'm one of the top Filipino motivational speaker in the country. But this time, I'm going to do a monologue. Are you good? Yes. All right. Great day, mabuhay, mga kaboses, ka-AI at kalikha ng kinabukasan. Let me take you on a journey, not just a career talk, not just a tech talk, but a revolution. My name is Pucholo de Leon Gonzalez. People call me the voice master of the Philippines, not because I have the best voice, but because I found my voice and use it to give thousands more their own. I am the founder of Creative Voices Productions, now celebrating its 20 years in 2025. This year, 20 years na kami. Pinapalakpakan po yun. Dahil maraming company patay na at mamamatay pa. Abangan ninyo. I'm a creator of the Certified Voice Artist Program, CVAP, which two of my former students are here. Si Mami Glo at si Miss Ruby. Ayan, palakpakan. Ay, si Tita Benny. Ayan, Mami Benny yan dito. And most of the people na tinuturuan ko are PWD. Diba? People with destiny. I had 11 Labs Philippines, as you can see. Who among you knows 11 Labs? Perfect. And the driving force behind the AI Mastermind Network, which we have more than 224,000 membership around the world. The Creative AI Agency, Creative Animation, and VoiceWorks, which from 2005 to 2020 trained the pioneers of modern voice acting and dubbing in the country. So most of the dubbers, voice talent, and broadcaster are my former students. No one else. Okay, to give you proof, can you Google who is the best Filipino voice talent? Please do it now. Who is the best Filipino voice talent? Okay, Google. Who is the best Filipino voice talent? Ano pong sabi? Sino? Who is that? Walang internet? Oh. Oh. Hindi po ako nagsabi niyan, si Google. Baka pwede pa si ChatGPT pakitanong. Later. Okay, today I stand not just as a voice artist, but as a pioneer in AI voices. The first Filipino AI voice in 11 Labs. So my voice has been used millions of times already. So I'm the most recognizable Filipino AI voice in the world. Yes. Sample. Sige na nga, pang-sample na. But before that, I'm also a visionary building the next era of creative freedom. So, when I was young, we don't have a TV. So the only means of entertainment that I have is the radio. So every night, I listen to this radio drama called Gabi ng Lagim. So do you want to listen to a radio drama live? Yes? So please close your eyes. I'll do it live. Since it's a radio drama, you don't have to look at me. You just have to listen and imagine. Now, close your eyes. Count 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Isang gabi ng lagim. si Utoy at si Lolo Tasyo ay naligaw sa kagubat.
Ha? Lola Tasyo, pasensya na ha. Ang sarap kasi maglaro sa pool.
Ay naku, sabi ko naman sa'yo, Apo huwag ka maglaro dyan, yan tuloy ginabita.
Ha? Lolo, may gumagalaw. Lolo, yung puno naging monster.
Ay naku, huwag ka mag-alala po. Hindi mo ba alam? Ako si Kapitan Kangkong. Bsh! Kapitan Kangkong, humanda ka sa akin puno. Itong bagay sa'yo. Yan! Ito pa.
Ha? Ang galing mo, Lolo.
Hindi ako ang lolo mo. Ako si Kapitan Kangkong. At dyan natatapos ang kwento ni Kapitan Kangkong. Oh, di ba? So, this is just some of the voices na ginawa ko. I'm also the assistant dubbing director of Meet Your Garden. So, if you sample na naman, I'm the voice behind Father of Sanchay. So, ganito siya. Bilang kayo, 1, 2, 3. Magandang araw sa inyo. Ako nga pala ang tatay ni Sanchay. Kamukha mo si Sanchay. Napakaganda mo. Yes. And some of the anime like Kuro-chan.
Hoy, humanda kayo sa akin. Ako nga pala, Cyber Kuro-chan. Itong bahay sa inyo. Ha? Da.
And also Bubu Chacha. Magandang araw sa inyo. Ako nga pala si Chacha, Bubu Chacha. And now, the latest is Kaiju number 8. I'm the voice behind Kafka Hibino. So, if you're watching that in Netflix, so that's my voice. Anyway, sige, okay na, tama na yung voice acting. Balik tayo kay AI. Okay, chapter 1. The boy with a mic and a mission. I was 16, no fame, no mentor, just raw talent. A cassette tape and the kind of hunger that kept me awake at night. I got my first break on DZMM and DZRH when I was 16. Imagine this, a kid thrown into a live radio drama, 10 characters, 1 mic, no script, no second take, and no choice but to become brilliant or be forgotten. And you know what? I didn't just survive, I shined. Because I understood something early. That voice isn't just a tool, it's a weapon. A weapon to inspire, to educate, to awaken. Yeah. That fire led me to create Creative Voices Productions in 2005. I was only 23 or 24 years old then when I created that company. No money, no sponsors, no money. Just one mic, a dream and a stubborn belief that the Filipino voice deserves to be heard. Not just in commercials, but in history. That dream evolved into VoiceWorks, the first structured voice acting workshop in the Philippines, and later into CVAP. The first certification program empowered thousands to embrace their voice as their purpose. I've trained more than 10,000 voice artists across the world. By the way, I've been to 30 countries and 50 provinces doing training, no? So my voice built careers. Most of the talents now, most of them are directors now. Imagine for 20 years, I've been training nonstop every Saturday. Today, at this moment, it's a graduation day or investiture of CVAP Batch 30. So while I'm speaking, there's a graduation happening. But most importantly, I help others believe in their own voices. Chapter 2. The system that tried to silence me. But not everything behind the mic was beautiful. I've been inside an industry that smiles in your face and stabs your confidence behind your back. The gatekeepers who act like gods, the purists who cling to the past, the hypocrites who reject AI publicity or publicly but use ChatGPT at night. And yet, I kept going because I knew they weren't rejecting me. They were afraid of what I represented, which is change. They said I was too much, too loud, too modern, too idealistic. But in truth, they were just too afraid. I gave my life to the craft. I was diagnosed with ulcer, major depressive disorder, and anxiety distress. For 6 months, I couldn't work. I couldn't create. And yet, in the silence, I found my voice again in AI. Chapter 3, the day AI set me free. We're talking about freedom. Freedom talks. So, while others feared AI, I studied it. By the way, I'm also a programmer. I used it. I became it. I'm a human AI, authentic innovator. With 11 Labs, I became the first Filipino AI voice ever released. I cloned myself in multiple languages, in multiple styles. By the way, if you want a free 11 Labs credits, you want? Or you add me on your Facebook. I'll give you. I became the first Filipino AI voice ever released. I cloned myself, trained others to do the same, and created the first local AI voice banks for Tagalog, Filipino English accent. Because our Filipino accent is the most beautiful English accent in the world. This is my accent. This is a Filipino accent. Bisaya man, ayan. I also did the first Cebuano AI voice. By the way, the first lady, the first female AI voice is here, Miss Ruby. There she is. So she's with 11 Labs also. Ilocano. Imagine, the first AI Ilocano and Kapampangan. I became the voice of thousands of stories, even the ones I didn't record manually. Imagine, my voice is being used millions of times, even in propaganda. They can use it for positive or negative, I don't care, because it's not me anyway. Again, the man behind, or the person behind AI is the one doing it. It's not me. Because AI is a tool, right? It's like using your own face and video, but using it in a wrong way. So walang problema doon sa akin. Sabi na, paano pag ginamit ng AI voice mo sa masama? Ay, hindi ako yung masama, yung gumamit. Kasi boses ko lang yon. Okay? Even the ones I didn't record manually, because now my voice works while I was sleeping. Imagine that. But more than productivity, AI gave me something deeper. What is it? Why are we here? We talk about freedom. Yes, it gives me freedom. Freedom from rejection. Freedom from toxic cultures like dubbing, advertising, voice acting. Most of them are toxic. These people are so insecure. Freedom from fake mentors and outdated models. There's so much fake gurus out there. Yun bang nakapanood lang ng isang video, sila na yung master, sila na yung authority. Ang daming ganyan ngayon. Wala namang brand, wala namang background. I-google mo, mga dating, anong trabaho? Networker. Mga taong, ang tawag dyan ay mga budol. Okay? Mag-ingat kayo sa mga manloloko. Napakaraming naglabasan ngayon. Kinapi-paste lang sila na yung AI master na raw sila. Pero alam mong mga wala namang nagawa sa buhay. AI didn't kill my art. It resurrected my purpose. It gave me my own Jarvis. Do you know who Jarvis is? What's the meaning of Jarvis? Just another rather very intelligent system. Yan ay ang AI ni Tony Stark, also known as Iron Man. And I finally became Iron Man. Chapter 4. Avatars, animation, and authority. I didn't stop with voice. I created digital characters to represent my mission. By the way, I'm the only Filipino who has more than 1,000 avatars out there. I'm working with Jug AI, Heygen, and some other Photo GPT AI. So, lahat ng Filipino faces, ako gumagawa ng avatar na yan. So, these faces are not real, but I'm the one who created it anyway. It's like, nowadays, you don't need to record your voice to create a voice. There's a so-called voice design now. So, yung mga pinuputak-putak na mga bobong, mga voice talent dito sa Pilipinas na don't use my AI, my voice to create AI avatar or AI clone, mga bobo yung mga yon. Bakit? Nowadays, you can now create your voices kahit walang nag-e-exist na voice na yon. Especially with 11 Labs. Nagets nyo ba? Yun yung problema kasi na 99.9% ng mga voice talent, not just here in the Philippines, but around the world, nagsisisigaw sila. Wala kayong magagawa because technology doesn't need any permission. Tama? So, I created digital characters to represent my mission like Super VM, the Choi Chibi superhero version of me. Annie Voice, the mascot of AI literacy in the Philippines. Ira, which means artificial intelligence, reporter analyst, Ira, and Ivan, artificial intelligence voice analyst network. Yan. AI reporters of Balitang AI, of National AI News segment. By the way, I have my own radio show coming this June sa Radyo Pilipinas, ang boses ng mga Pilipino. Yan. That's under PIA, no? Philippine Information Agency. I'm also working with the government now as their consultant for artificial intelligence. Okay? So, they now host my show, Speak in Schools, advocate AI literacy, teach kids and adults alike. I built the Creative Animation Company, the first Filipino AI-powered animation studio. Mark my word, in the next 5 years, all advertising, all recording studios, all animation studios will be gone. Okay? So, we create value-based, faith-driven, inspirational stories using different AI applications like Genmo, Kyber, CapCut AI. CapCut has Pipit right now, 11 Labs, Synthesia, Runway ML, and many, many more. And a voice that started in cassette tape 30 years ago, and that's me, when I started dreaming to become the AI voice master. This is a dream come true to me. Before, no one believes me that one day I will never record my voice, but you will hear it anyway. It becomes a legacy. It becomes immortalized. Chapter 5. The system I built for others. AI shouldn't be limited to elite. It should be the weapon of the dreamers. So I built Certified AI Creators Program, AI plus Voice Branding, Training for Creatives, Entrepreneurs. So I have this program called Certified AI Creators Program. In one day, you can create your own animation. AI Mastermind Network, elite Filipino and international-led alliance building AI content, application, and thought leadership. Makati AI Club, Makati, capital A and I. Youth-run volunteer community of AI learners. Balitang AI, the AI Talk, the first AI-powered radio and podcast show on Radio Pilipinas. AI Entrep program to help MSMEs thrive using AI tools. These aren't just programs. They're platform for Filipino creative freedom. And final chapter, this is the last. Okay, this is very interesting. This is your calling. This is not just my journey. This is our moment. This is our flood. And AI is the wave. But I built you an ark. It's like Noah's ark. This is the only window that we have. Mark my word, this is the first time you're gonna hear this. People will suffer in 2026 if they don't adapt now in 2025. This is the only window we have. A lot of jobs will be gone. Mark my word. Because right now, I made myself obsolete first so that I can recreate myself. Because I know what's coming. A, artificial. R, realistic. It's C, not K, but creativity. And this arc is already sailing. While the ones who choose to evolve, with the ones who choose to evolve, with the voices who said, yes, I'm ready. So now I ask you, are you in? Or will die with the system that never believed in you? Because I will not beg for change. I am the change. I started with DZMM. I gave voice to the voiceless. I became an AI. I became a movement. I am the ark. This is not the end of voice acting. This is the next generation or the next great chapter of creative evolution. This is your time. This is your mic. This is your move. Sabay na, sakay na sa ark. Walang atrasan. With that, mabuhay ang boses ng Pilipino sa panahon ng AI, and thank you very much, and I hope you learned something from my simple monologue. God bless everyone.
Salamat! Thank you.
Sa gym.
Ay, oo. Sa streamers.
I-mention ko sa'yo dati na
Thank you.
Yeah, if you want to know more also about how you can
Ayos ah. Simple.
ask Cholo and Jenny, because they are the ones who can help us adapt into technology and how we can also use that in our future story.
Diba, bro? Simple. Direct to the point. Wala nang kaligoy-ligoy. Para kang nag-ano lang eh. Monologue lang.
Hey, I can do that too. Did anybody have a moment of just like, how do I get up on stage so I can share my voice? It's tingling, I know, because this is the part where you'll have a chance. Freedom Talks Global, just wanted to say, Freedom Talks Global is an opportunity and a platform for everyone. Whether you're an attendee and want to keep learning how to craft your story, we have memberships to attend our monthly activations here in Asbury. We are now a member of Asbury, as well as online training to become a global speaker to speak in our global countries. Our next season is going to be in December, where our plan is to go to Thailand. Maybe we can have a tour with you. Thailand and Bali and Singapore. And our speakers now are on their way to Bali and finishing off with Singapore as well to just touch our last minute activations to make sure we're spreading our message and our platform. So if you want to learn